This is a porthole ocean view 7030 on the Margaritaville. The Margaritaville at sea paradise. So when you walk in, pretty big room. The room is massive. Okay. You go to the left, you got this wonderful, wonderful shower. 3 little shelves. Shower in the sinks. Shower curtain. Toilet. Mirror. Hello. Another mirror. Yeah. On this side, you got closet, 4 drawers. All the same. On this side, more the same. And here, it's a cabinet with drawer. There's a hair dryer. You got a mini fridge, and then a desk area. This is the only plug in this room.
Nope, right there.
220.
There's your regular plug.
Make sure to bring a European adapter.
There's your regular plug.
Oh, Amanda found a regular plug. It's right there. So yeah, you got one 220 and one 110. So make sure you bring those European travel adapters. And then the walls got all these cool things on it. It's like a map of the Caribbean. You got TV. Nothing but a breeze with a porthole. This is the port of Palm Bay in Riviera Beach, Florida. There is a USB right there, just for reference. You guys, that right there. I'm going to guess that's somewhere in the Bahamas since that's where we're going. Got a nice big bed. And this room, like I said, this room is pretty big. You could almost do the Cupid Shuffle in here. See how big it is? The downfall of this room, no safe that we could find.
There may be one. We just haven't found it yet.
Yeah, there may be one. We hadn't found it. But so that means you have to carry your stuff around, which is kind of sucks. But there's one more surprise in this room. Behind that door right there. Look what it is. It's a Trundle Bed. Dun, dun, dun. So this room can hold 3 people at least. There's 3 life jackets. So yeah, got the Trundle Bed. So that is room 7030 on the Margaritaville at sea paradise. Not bad. This was a last minute deal. We had no idea what the room number was when we boarded the ship, and they assigned us this. So pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's one of the nice things so far. So make sure to check out the rest of the vlogs for our adventures.
It's going to be an adventure for sure, because it's already been one.
Right. And if you sailed the ship before, let us know. We're interested to see who sailed this ship before.
Yep.
All right. Enjoy the rest of the vlogs. Be on the lookout for them. Thanks for watching. Bye.